Guys, I cut my hair off. I feel like a little bit of a rock star right now. Okay, so hello, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? How are you? My name is Annabelle, and I'm so glad you're here. We do hair videos, vlogs, lifestyle, have some fun. I'm a young 25-year-old who's married and living in Southern California, and I'm a hairstylist and I do videos online. Today is fun because I'm finally officially introducing you to my short hair. If you've been watching some of my vlogs, or at least my Taylor Swift vlog, you'll have seen cut my hair, or if you follow me on my other social medias, you'll have seen it. But I've yet to make one to YouTube, and I feel like she needed an official introduction. So here she is. My hair is wet. I just got out of the shower and I was going to film just a really simple little video of a way I've been loving styling my short hair, but my hair was air drying so quickly while I was doing my makeup that I'm like halfway through my makeup, but we're just gonna jump in. Today I want to be showing you how I do my Kourtney Kardashian inspired sleek bob. I'm gonna put some photos on the screen. She's been rocking the short hair for a long time and I love her hair and I love the way it looks. She gets like a nice curved under voluminous shiny bob. So I'm gonna be showing you how I do that. We're gonna dive right in. I actually already prepped my hair with this. This is the Ultimate Repair from Wella. You put this on first and then you put nothing else on your hair for at least like a couple minutes. And I'm gonna immediately follow up with my Olaplex Volumizing Dry Mist that you can spray when you are fresh out of the shower. I have a few volumizing sprays I love, but definitely use a volumizing spray. I'm gonna begin spraying this in my roots. And if you're wondering why I decided to cut my hair short, it's something I've been wanting to do, and I used to have short hair. I actually was a child that would beg my mom to let me grow out my hair because she was always cutting my hair short. But I've cut my hair short over the years and I feel like I haven't done anything very drastic or dramatic to my hair in so many years, basically since I dyed my hair red like over 2 years ago. And I feel like that's because I started making so many hair videos online and I was just scared and nervous that like, I don't know, that I wouldn't like it, that I would regret it, that I don't know, that I wouldn't be able to make as many hair videos or something, which just isn't true. And really was something I wanted to do for my own creativity, and not doing it for so long was just taking away from nurturing that creative self inside of me. And it's like hair is one of my outlets for creativity, and if I don't just do the fun things, then where would I be today? And that's what makes me me. So I'm here doing the fun things, cutting my hair off. I do not regret it. My hair has never been so healthy, so full, and just so happy with me. I definitely recommend cutting your hair. Obviously it's a huge commitment, but there are still so many fun ways you can style your hair. And if you know anything about me, you know I am a master manipulator of my hair, and I can throw in the extensions or use some extra hold gel if I need to put it up, or there's just still so many options. So don't let the fear of the unknown scare you from doing the thing that you really want to do. Okay, for this look, we've obviously got our volume spray, we've got our protection from the Ultimate Repair. This stuff's just amazing, by the way. It's its own thing. I'm going to take the IGK Good Behavior Spray. I love this. This is a keratin-like treatment, 24-hour frizz control. So if you're somebody who struggles with flyaways or frizz, definitely recommend this. And it gives heat protection up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's incredible. It gives shine and gives you that heat protection. For this look, we want that shiny bob, so we are just going to go through and spray this. Make sure we are super saturated. I'm now just going to take my brush and make sure I comb all those products through just for equal distribution. And then for this look, the key element really is a round brush. If you are super skilled with using a round brush and a blow dryer, that is going to be what you're doing. If you find that a little bit trickier, even as a hairstylist, it's so much easier to do a blow on somebody else unless you are using a blow dry brush. This is a brand new T3 blow dry brush that I've been using for about over a month now. They sent it to me, which was so kind of them. T3 products are more expensive because they formulate their temperature that they release based on your hair texture and density. Basically, you're able to, love a helicopter. Basically, you're able to take any of your T3 tools and pick the temperature setting based on the texture of hair you have, and it walks you through how to program them. And so because of that, they're kinder to your hair, they're looking out for your hair, so they're a little bit more expensive. But if you are looking for a hot tool, it's gonna last you a really long time. I definitely recommend this one by T3. It also has never made my hair feel like it's fried. Sometimes there's certain round brushes you have to be careful with. I've only ever actually tried this one, but I've heard really good things about the Amika round brush, as well as I believe Dry Bar has one, and I believe Revlon has one, but that's the one where I've heard some people having issues with. And if you have finer hair like me, I definitely would, you know, go towards either the Amika, the Dry Bar, T3, or if you have your Dyson Airwrap or your Shark, they do have round brush attachments. Essentially, you just need a round brush, and I'm loving her. So basically what I do is when I turn this on, I just begin in big sections of my hair and twisting and twisting and twisting and twisting those ends until it gets it nice and dry and gives that loop under. So I'm gonna begin doing that. It's a super simple tutorial, but I just wanted to show you why I've been loving it, and maybe if you need the bob life, this might be all you need to convince you. So cue some cute music with a little hair tutorial. As you can see, that only really took me a few minutes just to dry these bottom layers, and doing it that way just starts to get that curve in and volume that we are looking for. And as I begin to move to the top of my head, as you probably saw in the back, I'm continuing to rotate it under, but I will also try and lift it straight up while rotating it, just to create that most volume at our root. And because the hair's short, it's kind of just easy to lift it up, curl under, and lift it up and curl under. And as I get to the top sections, I will continue to try and do that, but I just wanted to explain I'm doing that for volume purposes, and when you spray a volume blow dry spray, it really helps activate that. So hilariously, I am on a little road trip and I do not have a roller. I'm gonna see if I can take this cap for a texturizer spray and roll my bangs into it. It's very slippery, but while I finish my makeup, just want this to set as much as possible. I would do this if I was at home too with a normal roller. It's a little bit tricky. This might actually kind of work though. Workish. And then if I spray it with hairspray, it will kind of stay. Let me go get my hairspray, hold on. We are currently in San Luis Obispo and it is so warm, and we're staying in the cute little Airbnb, but there is no AC, so I have a fan that is blasting on me, and so it's kind of flying everywhere. And then last but not least, I'm gonna take this little scrunchie and just softly go like that, because that will just hold it in place. So this is real Annabelle. I'm going to finish doing my makeup. As you can see, the bob is already bobbing. It is adorable. It is cute. It's got a nice little curved under look. It's like super shiny, bouncy, and I'm going to take off this roller once I finish doing my makeup, and we're going to get the final result. Hopefully this won't have ruined it, so we'll just re-blow dry it, but I'll see you in a second. Will's here.
Hey!
Okay, I just did some finishing touches on my makeup, put my earrings in, and we're gonna see if my makeshift roller worked. Just give me a little bit more volume. Brush it out. I think it did the job for the most part. Give me that volume I so desired. Get my parts straight. We have my Kourtney Kardashian inspired silky little bob. I've been doing loads of volume. You can part it to one side or the other. I'm gonna give it a little bit of hairspray just to lock in that hold. And it's just so cute and effortlessly chic, and this is one of my favorite styles. I've been doing my short hair, and if you have hair like mine and you have finer hair, I'm telling you, this haircut makes you look like you have the most hair ever. If you guys enjoyed this mini tutorial, I've missed you, and let me know if you need any specific short hair style tutorials down below in my comments. I'm excited to get to play around, but is the final finished look. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.